चलो ये सुनते हैं, इनको सुनाते हैं. Okay guys, reading passage 3, the power of play. So far we are not clear, is this play drama or what play is it? So if you are unclear, you can say virtually every child. Okay. It means it's about children's play. You know, children usually play when they are small, they are playing hide and seek, they are playing other games and police and thief and all that stuff. So this passage is about children's play. Questions 27 to 31, matching. And this time questions are 5 and options are 7. So some options will not be used. Don't worry, we'll learn how to deal with that. Next, questions 32 to 36. Yes, no, not given. Type A or B? A. And questions 37 to 40? A, guided play. So it's a very good idea to start from 37 to 40 first, then 32 to 36, and finally you can come back to 27 to 31. Got it? So in actual exam also you can write 1, 2, 3, or you can start from type A, then and out of type A also you need to see which type A is easier for you. Sentence completion is the easiest one. Then we have true, false, not given, or any other. Okay? So guided play. Now let's go on with it. Guided play. In the simplest form of guided play. Let's look for guided play. Where do they talk about guided play? Guided play. Oh yes. Absolutely. Now can you see that how many questions are there? 4. 4 questions and 1 paragraph. Isn't it going to be a good start? Yeah, 1 paragraph and 4 questions are done. So let's read questions. Guided play. It is simplest. I'm reading questions 37. It is simplest form of a guided play. An adult contributes to the environment in which the child is playing. Alternatively, an adult can play with a child and develop the play. For instance, now underline the word for instance. For that they can use anything. For instance, to exemplify, for example, for instance, by dash the child to investigate different aspects of their game. By dash the child to investigate. Underline the word investigate. By dash the child means they're going to say something or do something with the child. By dash the child to investigate different aspects of their game. Now please come back. Just focus the word by and you will find the answer easily. Let's read second last paragraph. Guided play takes 2 forms at a very basic level. I'm reading second last paragraph. Are you with me? Yes. Good, well done. Adults can enrich the child's environment by providing objects or experiences that promote aspects of a curriculum. In the more direct form of guided play, parents or other adults can support. Now support means help. Develop play, for instance, by dash the child to investigate different aspects of their game. So let's read on. Parents or other adults can support children's play by joining in the fun as a co-player, raising thoughtful questions, commenting on children's discoveries. So let's see. Not here. Let's read on. Let's read on. In the fun as a co-player, raising thoughtful questions, commenting on children's discoveries. Now what is the word for discoveries? Investigate different aspect, or encouraging further exploration or new facets of the child's activities, or encouraging further exploration. Now come back. For instance, by encouraging the child to investigate. What is the word for investigate? Further exploration. Try to understand that. Further exploration means to investigate different aspects of their game. Now tell me, what is the word for different aspects of their game? New facets to the child's activity. Now just learn, for child's activity they use the word game. For new facets, they use the word to investigate, right? And answer is encouraging, or encouraging further exploration or new facets and all that. And by the way, there were two traps here. By joining, that was a trap. By providing, that was a trap. Okay, let's go on. Adults can help. I'm reading question number 38. Please follow me. Adults can help children to learn through play and may make the activity rather structured, but it should still be based. It means what? Game or play, right? It should still be based. Now listen, underline, it should still be based. Be based on the child's dash to play. Based on the child's dash to play. Come back. Very good. The very next sentence, although playful learning can be somewhat structured, it may also be child-centered. Play should stem from. Now what is the word for stem from? Based, absolutely. Stem from or based on the child's dash, child's own desire. Now some of you will write own as the right answer. Yeah, right answer is desire, child's own desire, and for that they use the word child's desire to play. And by the way, if you write own, it will not fit. Child's own to play. No, it doesn't fit here. Okay, question number 39. Now, by the way, just keep in mind you are doing academic reading, part 3, last 4 questions. So, level of difficulty is there because these are the last 4 questions, okay? Anyways, you will say, sir, part 1 mein bhi to aise hi tha. Play. Now, this is a separate paragraph. When there are 2 separate paragraphs, it means 2 locations in the passage. And 2 locations means 2 paragraphs. Sometimes it can be the same paragraph, but if there are 2 paragraphs, then there are 2 locations. Once I found a summary completion question, every question was a summary. One question was 1 sentence summary, another question was 1 sentence summary, and all that. Anyways, play without the intervention of adults gives children real, underline the word real. For real, they use the word true, real love, true love. Let's come back. Last paragraph. Both free and guided play are essential elements in child-centered approach to playful learning. Intrinsically motivated free play provides the child with true autonomy and real autonomy. And by the way, for gives, what is the word? Provides and gives children real autonomy, provides the child with true autonomy. Answer is autonomy. And whenever you write the spelling, make sure you copy paste the correct spelling. With adults, play can be dash at particular goals. Play can be dash at particular goals. Read on. While guided play is an avenue through which parents and educators can provide more targeted learning experiences. More targeted learning experiences. With adults, play can be targeted at particular goals. And what is for particular goals? Learning experiences. They are particular goals. So once you do reading like this, that this is the answer, and what are the other synonyms for the words before or after the blank, you will find the answers. All good so far? Good.